The Ivory Coast in lockdown today with all its borders sealed as the situation continues to deteriorate after the outcome of the presidential election runoff. It comes after the Constitutional Court rejected a declaration by the Electoral Commission that the opposition candidate had won. Supporters of the president, Laurent Gbagbo, had tried to block the long-delayed result, alleging fraud in the north. From Abidjan, John James reports.
This is the man proclaimed president of Ivory Coast for the next 5 years. Though for the time being, it's not a face you can see on the state television, in the hands of the outgoing president, Laurent Gbagbo. Instead, the Independent Electoral Commission used other media to announce the result. Under the protection of United Nations peacekeepers, Ouattara welcomed the announcement and said he would form a unity government.
Ivorians, dear compatriots, our first and big ambition will be to unite the nation around values like peace, forgiveness and reconciliation.
But the outcome is not yet clear. On Thursday evening, the army said the government was closing land, sea and air borders until further notice. The election results announcement by the Independent Electoral Commission was made away from their headquarters in the high security of a luxury hotel.
The Independent Electoral Commission has, in accordance with the law, handed over to the Constitutional Council the results it has received and validated, accompanied by the result sheets.
The delays in announcing the results heightened tensions. While the presidential camp said that the poll in regions which voted heavily for Ouattara in the first round should be annulled because of electoral violence, Ouattara's supporters accused President Gbagbo of trying to block the electoral process. Overnight, a group of soldiers attacked the district offices of Ouattara's party, killing at least 4 people.
We started to hear gunfire from 8:45 for at least 30 minutes. After having killed people, they mounted the wall there to get in here. They threw tear gas so that we wouldn't go and see what was going on. When they finished killing people, they left. The anti-riot brigade came to pick up the bodies and they took the injured with them.
The UN Security Council has welcomed the publication of results and called on all sides to respect the democratic process. John James, BBC News, Abidjan.